Welcome back, friends. Yesterday we have started exercise 2.5 and completed question number 1 to 4. Now we continue exercise 2.5 with example 5. Here example 5 is 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. First of all, we need to simplify the left hand side and right hand side. So to simplify left hand side, we need to take LCM of 3 and 4. So here this term will be multiplied with 3 and this term will be multiplied with 4 to get LCM 4 in a denominator. So here this term is multiplied with 3 in a numerator and denominator, and this term will be multiplied with 4 in a numerator and denominator. To get LCM 12. Here LCM is 3. So t is multiplied with 3 in a numerator and denominator. Okay. Here denominator of t is 1. So when we take the LCM, it is 3. So t needs to multiply with 3 in a numerator and 3 in a denominator. Now open the bracket. 90 minus 6 divided by 12 minus 80 plus 12 divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 3. Now we need to combine this bracket. So it is 90 minus 6. Minus sign will be applied to minus 80 and this 12 become minus 12. Okay, whenever there is a minus sign outside the whole term, then every sign in the term will be changed when we combine this term. Here we can consider the bracket. Okay, so when we apply minus sign to the bracket, 8 will be minus 80 and plus 12 become minus 12. Whole divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 3. Now 90 minus 80t minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18 divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 3. Now cross multiplication, 3 is multiplied with this term and 12 is multiplied with this term. Open the bracket both sides, it is 3t (4) 24 minus 36t. Now 36 on this side become negative. Sorry, it is negative become positive. So it is 3t plus 36t is equal to 24 plus 54. This 54 is negative become positive on right side and 36 that is negative become positive on left side. Now you can see here it is 3t plus 36t. 3t plus 36t is 39t is equal to 24 plus 54 that is 78. Now 39 will be in a divide. So if you cut the common factor, t will be 2. 39 2s are 7. Clear? Again, what you have to do, first of all make the denominator same. Then combine these two terms after changing the sign into second bracket. If you change the sign, you will get 90 minus 6 minus 80 minus 12. 90 and 80 are like terms, so that is t, 9 minus 8 and minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. Now after getting this term, you need to apply cross multiplication. If you apply cross multiplication, you will get 3 into t minus 18 is equal to 12 into bracket 2 minus 3t. Open the bracket, so you will get 3t minus 54 is equal to 24 minus 36t. Now combine like term together on right and left side. So 36t become positive on left side and 54 become positive on right side. So you will get 39t is equal to 78. 39 in a divide, so you get t is equal to 2. Now example 6. m minus 1 divide 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divide 3. So here denominator is 1. You need to consider here 1. Here also denominator is 1. So what you have to do first of all make the denominator same and simplify left hand side and right hand side. So here to get 2 in a denominator, we need to multiply with 2 in a numerator and denominator. That is 2m by 2 minus m minus 1 by 2. Here you need to multiply with 3 by 3 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. As we performed in previous example, you need to apply this negative sign to the bracket. You can consider here it is bracket. So it is 2m minus m plus 1 whole divided by 2. 3 negative sign is applied to the bracket. So m become minus and 2 become plus whole divided by 3. Now 2m minus m is m plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5 minus m divided by 3. 3 plus 2, 5 minus m as it is. Here you need to add the like terms. Now cross multiplication, 3 is multiplied with this term and 2 is multiplied with this term. M3, m plus 1 is equal to 2, 5 minus m. Open the bracket, 3m plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 2m. Now 2m on this side become plus 2m and 3 become minus 3. So 3m plus 2m, 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m is 5m is equal to 7. Now 5 in a divide. So it is 7 by 5. The main step is this one. You need to be careful whenever you apply this negative sign to the bracket. જ્યારે પણ negative sign bracket ની અંદર જાય means this is the whole term. So negative sign outside it will apply to the every term into the bracket. Okay. M become minus and 1 become plus. Same here. M become minus and 2 become plus. Clear? Now next example. Example 7. Here 3 into bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 into bracket 2t plus 1. Already simplified term is given. Okay. So you only need to do open the bracket. That is 3. 3 is multiplied with t, 3t and 3 is multiplied with 3 that is 9. 5 is multiplied with 2t that is 10t plus 5. Now combine the like terms. So 3t become minus 3 and 5 become minus 5 on left side. તમે 10t ને આ બાજુ લાવો અને 9 ને પેલી બાજુ લઈ જાઓ તો પણ ચાલે. ઓકે 10t minus 3 that is minus 14 is equal to 7t. Now 7 in a divide. So if you cut the common factor, 2 is equal to minus 2. Clear? This is a simple example. Just open the bracket, combine the like term and then move the numbers. Okay. Now next. 15 into bracket y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6. In this kind of example, you need to be careful whenever you open the bracket if there is a negative sign outside the bracket. જો bracket ની બહાર negative sign માં કોઈ number હોય તો bracket open કરો ત્યારે careful રહેવાનું because every sign into the bracket will be changed. So here it is simplified when you open the bracket. So first of all we multiply every number that is outside the bracket with the bracket. 15 multiplied with y, 15y and 15 multiplied with minus 4, 60. Now 2 is multiplied with y, minus 2 is multiplied with y that is minus 2y and minus 2 multiplied with minus 9 is plus 18. 5 is multiplied with 5y. 5 is multiplied with 6, 30 is equal to 0. Now combine the like terms. 15y minus 2y plus 5y. 15 plus 5, 20. This is positive and this is also positive. So add the number. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 minus 2, 18y. Minus 60 plus 30. Minus 30. Plus 18 will be 10. Now it is 12 is equal to 0. 18y. Now 12 on right side become plus 12. 0 plus 12. 12. Okay. Now 18 will be in a divide. Okay, now you can cut the common factor. Here you can write the factor of 12, that is 6 2s and 6 3s. So you can cut the common factor 6. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? What we have performed? Open the bracket, but be careful whenever there is negative sign. Here minus 2 is there, so sign will be changed. Plus 5 is there, no sign will be changed. Okay? Now what you have to do? 15y minus 2y and plus 5y, that are like term. So perform the 15y minus 2y, 13y plus 5y, that is 18y. Minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 will be minus 12. Minus 12 on right side become plus 12, 0 plus 12 is 12. Now 18 is a multiplication, become denominator, so y is equal to 2 by 3. Bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 into bracket 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into bracket 8z minus 30 minus 7. What you have to do? First of all, open the bracket. So 3 is multiplied with 5z, that is 15z. 3 is multiplied with 7, 21. 2 is multiplied with 9, 18z. Minus 2 is multiplied with 11, so it is plus 22. Is equal to 4 is multiplied with 8, 32z. 4 is multiplied with 13, 52. 13 4 is 52 minus 7. Clear? Now combine the like terms. 15z minus 18z will be minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22, that is 1 negative 1 positive, subtraction 22 minus 1, 21 is plus 1. On right side you need to combine this two terms, 32z minus 69. If you add, because 52 is negative and 17 also negative, addition of number 52 plus 17 is 69, but the negative sign is there because bigger number is 52. Clear? Now 32 on right side become minus 32 and 1 become minus 1. Clear? Be careful in a sign. Plus 1 become minus 1 and 32, that is positive, become minus 30. Minus 3 minus 32 is minus 35z is equal to minus 7. 69 is negative, 1 is negative, so both are negative. Add the number 69 plus 1 70, sign of bigger number is minus 70. 35 minus 35 will be in a divide, so z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35. You can cut the sign, 35 plus 70, so z is equal to 2. Clear? Now next is 0.25 into bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into bracket 10f minus 9. Here what you have to do, convert the decimal into fraction. So 0.25 is 25 by 100, 4f minus 0.05, it means 5 by 100 into bracket 10f minus 9. Now here 100 is in a whole divide. 100 કોના ડિવાઇડ માં છે? આખી જે ન્યુમરેટર છે એના ડિવાઇડ માં છે. So you can move it on this side or you can move this 5 by 10. Here 500 is also in a divide with whole term. So you can move this 100 to the left side, become multiplication, and 5 that is in a multiplication become divide. 5 by 100 આખાના ડિવાઇડ માં છે એટલે મૂવ થાય. બટ જો આવું હોય તો આ 100 મૂવ થાય નહીં, because it is only in a denominator of 9. Clear? Here 5 by 100 is in divide with multiplication with whole bracket. That's why you can move this 5 from right side to left side, become division, and 100 that is in a division become multiplication. To make the equation simpler, so it is 25 by 100. Now multiplication of 100, this 100 become multiplied and this 5 become divide. 4f minus 3 is equal to 10f minus 9. Clear? Now you can cut the common factor. 5 5 are 100, 100 cancel. Now multiply this 5 with whole term is equal to 10f minus 9. Open the bracket, it is 20f minus 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. Now 10f become minus 10f and minus 15 become plus 15. Minus 9 plus 50. 10f or 20f minus 10f, it is 10f plus 6. 10 in a divide, it is 6 by 10. It is 0.6. Clear? One more time. 0.25, it is 25 by 100. 4f minus 3 as it is 5 by 100. 10f minus 10. Now here 5 by 10, 100 is in a multiplication of whole term. So you can move it on left side by 100 become numerator, multiply with 100 and 5 become denominator. Now we will cut the common factor 100, 100, 5 5s are 5, 4f minus 3, 10f minus 9 as it is. Open the bracket, that is 20f minus 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. Combine the like terms, 20f minus 10f is equal to minus 9 plus 15. That is 10f is equal to 6. 10 in a divide is 0.6. Now, next is equation reducible to the linear form. What you have to do in this kind of example? Here the numerator and denominator form is given. You need to convert it into linear form. Numerator and denominator na form માં આપ્યું છે અને linear form માં convert કરવાનું. How? By cross multiplication. Clear? Here the example 18 of textbook is given, that is x plus 1 divided 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. So here cross multiplication is applied. 8 is multiplied with x plus 1 and 3 is multiplied with 2x plus 3. Clear? Now open the bracket. 8 is multiplied with x, 8x means we convert this into linear form. 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. Now like terms on one side, 8x minus 6x. 6x that is positive become minus and 9 minus 8. 8 become negative. So that is 2x is equal to 1. Now 2 in a divide, that is 1 by 2. You can check your answer by substituting this 1 by 2 into this side. Check. X plus 1, 2x plus 3. Wherever there is x, you need to write 1 by 2. બધા જ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં તમે આવું ચેક કરી શકો. So 2 2 cancel. Here you need to take LCM. 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. And here in a denominator 1 plus 1 that is 4. It becomes 3. 2 into 4 3 by 8. So you get the right answer. So your answer is correct. Okay. Now next here I only check for first example. You can perform the check in rough work that your answer is correct or not. Example 9. Represent ages of Anu and Raj are in ratio 4:5. What is the statement? Present age of Anu and Raj are in ratio 4:5. I already explained whenever there is a ratio is given, you need to write it as a 4x and 5x. So let Anu's present age is 5x and Raj's present age is, it is 4x and 5x because first number given to the first name, that is Anu's age. So 4x is Anu's age and 5x will be Raj's. 8 years from now means after 8 years. What will be Anu's age? 8 years પછી કેટલી થાય? 4x plus 5, 4x plus 8 and Raj's age will be 5x plus 8. Ratio 8 years from now, ratio will be 5:6. Now if you take the ratio of after after 8 year. આ 8 year પછી બંનેની એજ છે એનો રેશિયો લો તો આન્સર શું આવે 5:6. So you can write 4x plus 8. If you take the ratio of ages after 8 year, you will get 5:6. Now you will get the same term that we solved in example 18. જેવું example 18 માં solve કર્યું એવું term આવ્યું. So 6 is multiplied with 4x plus 8 and this term is multiplied with 5. So 6 4x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 8. Open the bracket. 24x 48 is equal to 20x plus 40. Now combine the like terms. 20 on right side become minus 20x and 48 will be this is 25, so it is minus 25, 40 minus 40. Okay, 5 is 25, 25 become minus 25. Now 24 minus 25 is minus x and here it is minus 8. Okay, 40 minus 48, bigger number is 48, so it is minus 8. You can cut the negative sign, so x will be 8. Clear? Now what is the Anu's age? 4x, 4 into 8, 32 and Raj's age, that is 5x, 5 into 8, 40. Okay, so Anu's age will be 32 years and Raj's age will be 40.